everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a wire stripper tool. Show you guys what we're talking about here. And this is it here. This is a 23-in-1. I'm not sure we'll be able to go through all 23. I can't even open it, so. Okay, the Ziploc bag. My hands are just too slippery. Okay, so I'll show you the instructions and you can kind of get an idea of all these different 23 different tools. Lots of different things on there. But, okay, my main purpose is a wire stripper. So you see, you've got, is this a lock? Yes, we have a lock on it there. We have a wire stripper for all the different gauges of wire. We have other little things here. We have a piercing tool, so it'll pierce a wire. So if you want to pull something through, you can pull it through. You can just do various other wire things and stuff with those. It even has some bits in there, so you can do screwdriver stuff. This up here. So you could have a flat head or a Phillips head on that side. On this side here, I think we had a wire tester, or a tester of some sort, yes. I guess that's exactly what that is. So some sort of tester. So we have all sorts of stuff. So I have some wires here. Oh, it can also fold up, so you can fold it down, I guess, when you're done. Okay, so very good. So right now I have some wire. Not sure exactly what gauge this is, but we'll go ahead and pick a hole for it. Let's say this hole here, and might go smaller. Or maybe that is, there we go, the smaller one. And pull it out, and there we go. So it's gonna do its duty as a wire stripper for me, but it does also lots of other stuff as well. So it's really cool, nice little setup here. And it's kind of interesting the way it folds all the way up. So you can fold it down. I guess you have to put this in, and then you can have it very compact that way. It's probably the first and last time it will ever be folded that way, but you get the idea. And it's good for wires and stuff. It's got a kind of conductive, non-conductive handle there, so you can mess with some electric wires a little bit. But it's cool. It's got lots of different options on there, and seems like it's going to do the job. Looks like they use it for pulling fuses and stuff on the tip of it there. You see it's even got a little weird little pull. You can use it for rotating stuff, for holding wires, bending wires. No damage, foldable, all in one, stainless steel. It's got a rubberized handle. So check for electrical functions here. So we have some sort of check for electrical functions. That'll be interesting to do. But you get the idea. Very cool to use it. And it says you can oil the joints if it's a little hard to do. Like mine was just a little bit hard at first, but I'm sure it'll get worked into. But very cool, nice device. Thumbs up for sure.